You ever notice how some people seem to attract money without even trying? They don't have flashy cars, they don't brag about crypto, yet 10 years later, they're the ones buying property while everyone else is still waiting for the right time. Yeah, those people aren't lucky. They just built quiet habits that compound just like money does. Today, we are breaking down 7 simple habits that quietly make you rich even if you don't realize it yet. Let's start with the first one, tracking where every dollar goes. Most people think budgeting means restriction, but the wealthy see it as awareness. You can't grow what you don't measure. So while others swipe their cards and pray their account survives until payday, rich-minded people track every expense. Not obsessively, just consistently. They use simple tools, an app, a spreadsheet, even a notebook. Because the point isn't to be perfect, it's to understand your flow. Once you see where your money leaks, you plug the holes and boom, you've just given yourself a raise without asking your boss. Number 2, paying themselves first automatically. The rich don't save what's left. They save first and spend what's left. Before the weekend plans, the Amazon cart, or that late-night Uber Eats order, their savings is already gone, automatically transferred to investments, retirement, or a high-interest account. This single habit is like setting your future on autopilot. No discipline required, just automation. Because if you wait until you have extra money, you'll be waiting forever. Number 3, thinking in decades, not days. Here's something you'll never hear from a get-rich-quick guru. Wealth takes time, but not as much as you think. When you think in decades, decisions become obvious. You stop chasing trends, you start planting trees. Instead of wondering what stock will grow 10 times next month, you ask, what will I still care about in 10 years? That mindset builds not just wealth, but peace, because time stops feeling like a threat and starts feeling like your partner. Number 4, treating debt like a fire. Useful, but dangerous. Debt is not evil. It's like fire. It can cook your food or burn your house down. The difference? Control. Rich people use debt strategically. They borrow to buy assets that generate income, not to buy liabilities that lose value the moment you unwrap them. Poor people use debt for comfort. Wealthy people use it for leverage. So before you swipe that credit card, ask, is this fire warming me or burning me?
Number 5, learning more than they earn. Every self-made millionaire has one thing in common. They never stopped learning. They treat new knowledge like a currency because it is. When you learn a new skill, you don't just gain information, you gain options. And options are freedom. That's why the richest people on the planet still read, take courses, or listen to podcasts while driving. Because while the average person scrolls social media to escape their problems, rich people study to solve them. Number 6, building multiple streams before they need them. Most people wait until their job is gone before thinking about a side income, but the wealthy build extra income streams before they're desperate for them. That could mean affiliate marketing, online products, rental property, or a freelance skill. It doesn't matter which. What matters is that you have more than one faucet running. If one dries up, the others keep flowing. That's the secret. Build safety before you need it. That's how you turn stress into strategy. Number 7, staying boring even when it's tempting not to. Here's the most underrated wealth habit. They don't chase the next big thing. The rich aren't on emotional roller coasters with every stock dip or crypto crash. They stay consistent, steady, and frankly, boring. They invest the same way they brush their teeth, regularly, predictably, and without drama. Because in money, boring is beautiful. Consistency beats intensity every single time. So let's recap. The habits that quietly make people rich aren't flashy. They're not secret hacks or shortcuts. They're simple systems that compound quietly in the background until one day you look up and realize you've become the kind of person you used to admire. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about repetition. And the earlier you start repeating the right things, the sooner money starts working harder than you do. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more practical money insights designed to make your wallet a little smarter every single week. Because remember, you don't get rich overnight, you get rich daily in small, consistent ways.